Hey everybody, thanks for clicking this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Domino Joinery DF 500. We're going to show you how it works and the different uses. At this point we are removing the cutter for the appropriate size domino. So this is how you would set the depth adjustment by using the step guide that is incorporated onto the tool. Now we're adjusting the depth of the cut for the size of the domino. We're using a 5x30 domino, so we're going to want to adjust the depth of the cut to the 15 mark. The domino cutter has built-in detents to provide an accurate cut in the center of both pieces by lining up one detent with the edge of the piece. And then we repeat the process on the other side. These are some of the attachments that would come with the domino system. This attachment would be if you were plunging into a vertical surface. That way you would have more surface area, making the tool more stable. This attachment would allow you to create a long run of cuts. It attaches to the side of the tool. You can adjust the width of each cut. It has a built-in catch to catch your previous domino. So you would line that up with the one you've already cut and continue on down the line. This attachment would allow you to make a cut in a thinner piece of material with accuracy. This is the sustainer box that offers all the different size dominoes and the different size cutters, sold separately. The new domino connectors make knockdown joinery simple and stable. Quickly and easily assemble, separate, and reassemble your work for increased flexibility across a wide range of applications. From corner panel joints to center panel joints to joints between a series of holes for increased stability, speed, and flexibility. The Domino DF 500 connector assortment sustainer offers the best value to get you started with the system. For the connection system, you're going to want to plunge cut all the way to the deepest depth setting. Next, after making your cuts for the domino, you're going to want to drill a hole on top of the cut you just made. Festool actually offers an attachment for dust-free drilling, as you can see here. At this point, we're putting 1/2 of the connection system on this side of the panel. This is where the vertical plunge attachment comes in handy, as we will be making 2 more vertical plunges to complete our connection. Also, we're going to change the depth of the cut to 15. We're just trying to breach the surface. This is the second half of our connection system, making for a solid and clean connection. Also very strong. And boom, our connection is complete. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment below. If you like videos about cool tools and great ideas, make sure to get subscribed, because we have plenty of them. Also, you're going to want to make sure to hit that notification bell, because we release a daily video. We also go live all the time. We do emergency live videos where we tell you how to get good tool deals and save a ton of money. So make sure you're cracking that Liberty Bell like you're on Independence Mall, because we are from the Philadelphia area. Also, you're going to want to become a part of the very cool gang, the coolest community on YouTube. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great day.
Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.